Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES rear TrailChaser bumper on a Jeep Wrangler. This bumper is available in steel or aluminum, with or without integrated LED lights. Starting on the driver's side, use a 16mm socket and remove the bolts holding the corners of the factory bumper support bracket to the frame. Remove the center bumper bolts holding the brackets to the frame. Repeat this step on the passenger side. With the brackets removed, lift the bumper off the frame rails and set it aside. Using an 18mm socket, remove the bolts holding the stock tow hooks to the frame. These will not be reinstalled. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Lay the bumper on a flat work surface and attach the bumper side extensions. Each attachment point will be fastened with a M10 hex bolt, lock washer, 2 M10 flat washers, and a nut. Snug the hardware but do not fully tighten. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Take the C-channel bracket and place it into the frame of the Jeep. If necessary, move the C-channel into place with a screwdriver. Repeat this on the passenger side. With help, lift the new bumper over the frame rails. With the bumper in place, secure it using the provided M12 hex bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Snug with an 18mm socket but do not fully tighten. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Secure the corner bumper bracket to the vehicle with M10 hex bolts, lock washers, and M10 flat washers. Secure the corner bumper bracket to the bumper with M10 button head bolts, lock washers, flat washers, and nut. Repeat this step on the passenger side. Check to make sure that the bumper is level. Adjust if necessary and fully tighten all of the hardware. Mount the LED lights in the recessed pockets on the bumper corners with the provided hardware. Adjust the light to the desired angle and fully tighten all of the hardware. Disconnect the supplied switch from the wiring harness and install in the desired location. Refer to the print instructions for more details on how to wire the LED lights. Congratulations on the installation of your new ARIES rear TrailChaser bumper. For more information on this and other great products, visit ariesautomotive.com.